I can't wait to see his reaction. Rutti, gassi and ghee roast.
ghee idea kale itta manella.
Ide. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing chicken kori gassi and ghee roast chicken. Mangalorean's foods are always flavorful and it will include all the fresh spices, so it will add a lot of flavor to the food. So today I'm doing the same. I am chopping off a coconut here, but because I don't have the coconut grater at home, so I chopped off my coconut and I'm going to do masala for both of this. First I'll do the kori kasi masala. Wait. You know what is this? I am so obsessed with this. I can't wait to make a delicious kori gassi to eat with this crispy kori rutti. There's high expectations on ghee roast, especially because we recently had ghee roast outside. It was so flavorful. So after that, I really wanted to recreate it. So let's see how it will come. First, I'll finish off all the chopping things. I need one big onion and garlic, and you. Okay, I just closed it. I'm adding nearly 10 for kori gassi. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think some are big, some are small. Yeah, I add 12. Okay, I have to open it very neatly, so I'm doing that. Usually my husband don't come from office just to eat lunch. Today he's coming because I'll tell the backstory of today's thing, because today is Mari Puja at our place and I'm not going because of some reason. So I was missing home very badly. So he is like, you just prepare whatever you want. Like, however, for Mari Puja we are like, it is meant for kori, rutti, sukka, all those. So he is like, okay, I'll get chicken, you do chicken and kori rutti, and you do whatever you want. So I'm doing it. I'm missing home even though, but I love to prepare this. If it come out great, I'm the happiest. Let's see how he will react for my cooking skill of today. I'm adding bit of coconut oil. So this will enhance the flavor if you add coconut oil to it. I have added randomly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 chilies. If it is badgi chili, you can actually add 15 also. But here I'm using Guntur one. So I think this is spicier than the badgi. So I am not going to risk my tongue. So I just kept these. I'm going to collect all the masalas in this plate, the bigger plate, so that I can show you very clearly. So first, this is roasted so nicely. I'm keeping it aside. And 2 spoons of coriander and 1 spoon of, less than 1 spoon actually, okay, of jeera, and and some fennel seed. It should be like 1/4, but I'm adding randomly 15 count of it. And the aroma should spread all over your kitchen like that. You fry it. You know what? When you eat something which you ate while growing up, you remember that taste forever and you always crave for that. This is such kind of dish for me. Kori Rutti. I always used to. Back then when I was coming from school or college, if there is marikuja at home, I am like, I'll be very happy because I can eat Kori Rutti as much as I can. Usually, that rutti is made out of rice. It's not the brown rice, so it's very heat for body. So my mom never used to allow me to eat only Kori Rutti. She always made me to eat rice, brown rice after eating that. Now it is nicely fried. I'm taking it off. Onion. It's just half onion, not full. Half onion and 10-12 ginger, and I need to add some curry leaves for the taste. I'm adding a bit of curry leaves and ilachi and 2 cloves and this 1 inch of chicken. I crush it and I'm adding it. I was doing everything all at once, but you can do it that way also. First you just fry your masalas like all this coriander, peppercorn, jeera, you can do it. Post that you can add chilies and these onions, masalas and all. See, it's depend on how you do it. For me, I prefer doing this because it each will fry separately. That is the preference of mine. You can do however you want. Yeah, this is fine. If it is like slightly transparent, it's fine. This is completely fine. I have added 1/4 spoon of turmeric. You should not make it brown. You should make it as golden, because you just need to fry it randomly. But usually what authentic Mangalorean dishes, everything come off with grated coconut, not like chopped coconut. I do not have that grating thing, so I'm just chopping it off randomly and I'm frying it. This is what I started doing after coming back to Bangalore. But back in home, it's like always grating it very finely and adding. It will enhance the flavor, to be very honest. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I'll marinate. So meanwhile, I'm marinating my this chicken, ghee roast chicken. So what I have to do is, you have to add half a cup of curd and pepper. You should always remember how much salt you have added while marinating, because by the time of cooking you will add once again. So you make sure that. This I have almost taken boneless one, and few are bone one, because my husband don't like this all boneless chicken, because he wants something to bite. So I have added this. So turmeric is very less. I don't know why I have added very less. I'm going to add a bit more. Lemon sized tamarind, very finely paste you have to do with it. Now I'm going to fry our ghee roast chicken masala I'm adding. So for that I'm adding 2 spoons of, it is all you're going to do a dry roast, not the oil roast which you have done for the chicken, not that. So for this you're adding 2 spoons of coriander and 1 spoon of jeera peppercorn. Around 15-16 you're adding. Okay. You can alter as per your chicken quantity. I'm taking half kg of chicken, so for that chicken I'm doing it. If you are taking one kg of chicken, take as per that. Yeah, the one and foremost thing you have to know is you should not burn your masala. If you burn your masala, there is no flavor in it. So make sure you roast it and keep it in low flame and doing it thoroughly. You should not forget it at all, because this is a main step. If you skip it, or if you not do dry roasted by thinking like what if it turn black and all, it doesn't give that aromatic flavor. So make sure you will fry it in a very low flame and very nice with love. So for every Mangalorean dishes is used Vargi mentioned, not this. This is not Vargi mentioned. This is Guntur mentioned, because my husband is a Telugu person. So that's what we are having here. Usually Bargi Menshu is best for that. We are adding Menshu for the color, not for spiciness. So we are adding 15 of it. Here I'm using, you can use 10 of it, but I'm using 1, 2, 3. I'll use 8. Now I'm going to do multitasking. I kept both the vessels. This is for ghee roast and this is for chicken curry. This is for curry. A spoon of ghee and some curry leaves to it. You should add more curry leaves. Then chopped onion. Fry it really well. It takes some time, so until then I'll do this. This is a homemade ghee, you can see it. Wow, the color. Okay. I'm adding 2 big scoop of it. So it smells so good. I prefer using homemade ghee because it will enhance the taste so well. I'll add marinated chicken to it. And meanwhile, I'll check this too. It should be completely brown in color. You have to keep on doing this. Here in ghee, it should cook for 90%. I have added chicken to the curry and I'm going to cook it properly. As I have not added any salt, because for this I have not marinated at all. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of salt, 1.5. That's a very small spoon here, so I'm using 1.5. You use it as per your taste. Don't go as per this measurement at all. Masala of gravy, and this you can see the masala of ghee roast. This is so rich in color. 1 spoon of masala to it to get that nice flavor while cooking. I'll let it cook for almost 20 minutes. So it's of 3 whistles. I'll keep it for the whistle. I have transferred it. It is almost 90% cooked. I'm keeping the same pan and adding 2 spoons of oil, and once it is melted completely, add masala to it. Ghee and masala should separate each other. So I'll wait till then. So I have few works to complete. So I'll do that. I'll clean up everything. So oh my god, look at that color, man. See, this is how it separates. It should separate still more. I'll wait for that. Whenever you feel it's bit of dry, add some ghee for it. Okay. I have added pinch of salt. Make sure you add very less salt because you have added salt while marinating it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll add chicken to it and mix it all really well. Oh my god, the color of the chicken, so tempting. I'm sure my husband going to like it. He will be proud of me. Ghee, your work is done. Well done. Now I'm going to add some cashews to add the restaurant style. Only so much of. Taste it. This is my first attempt. I can't wait to see his reaction. I thought just because of the ghee roast, I thought like my entire kitchen work is done. But my masalas, I am yet to add my masalas for chicken. I'm adding it. It has chicken got cooked really well. Now it's only time for the masalas to cook completely. Rutti, gassi, and ghee roast, and rasam. Rice is on the way. Everything is ready. I'm just waiting for him. He told he will be here in 5 minutes. Let's see. Ghee roast.
Ghee idea kale itta manella.
Ite.
My god, cashews.
To get that restaurant style. It's good.
That's good.
Ghee roast is good.